Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need a compatible Windows build and WSL2 enabled. That's non-negotiable. First, turn on Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux in Windows Features, then reboot. Once done, install your chosen Linux distro from the store and open PowerShell as admin. Run WSL install ddistro or WSL set default version 2 and WSL set version distro 2. This starts the only supported path to a GUI inside WSL on modern Windows. Next, make sure WSLG is activated because it provides the Wayland/X server integration you need. You'll run WSL update from PowerShell and then WSL shutdown to restart the WSL daemon. Inside the distro, update package lists and install the GUI applications you want, for example. Sudo apt update and sudo apt install Gedit Firefox. Also verify WSLG runtime files exist under /mnt/WSLG and that X-Wayland is running. Those confirm the GUI bridge is. To finish, open a distro terminal and start a GUI app by name, for example, Gedit and/or Firefox. You should see the app render on your Windows desktop via WSLG. If it fails, shut down WSL with WSL shutdown and reapply WSL update, then reboot Windows if needed. Make sure Hyper-V/virtualization is enabled and security software isn't blocking IPC. If problems persist, inspect /var/log and journoctl inside the distro for compositor or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.